Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for Business Studies exam, easy method. Start by outlining the syllabus into 30-minute blocks and prioritize topics by weight. Use flashcards for core definitions and key formulas to boost recall. Practice with targeted past questions to detect weak spots and fix them. Keep notes concise, review daily, and schedule short breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. In this video, I will explain how to study for Business Studies exam, easy method. Test yourself actively rather than rereading, and speak answers aloud to deepen retention. Write one-page summaries for each case study and practice explaining cause and effect clearly. Convert chapter headings into exam-style questions and answer them timed. Review incorrect answers immediately and add them to a short revision sheet for quick daily review. In this video, I will help with how to study for Business Studies exam, easy method. Simulate exam conditions with timed past papers and mark them honestly to track progress. Plan answers for long questions before writing to save time and improve structure. Focus more practice on high-mark sections and log improvements each week. Balance study with regular short breaks and light exercise to keep your mind sharp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.